Hey, welcome back to my latest video of my burger bun series. Today we're going to make some super easy green burger buns. We're going to start with 1¼ cups or 300 milliliters of tap warm water. Going to add 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of spinach powder. Gonna stir that up and mix it all together. There are no crumbs inside. Then we're going to put this aside and start with our dry ingredients. First we're going to add 4 cups or 400 grams of all-purpose flour. I would recommend using a strainer, just give it a good shake until all crumbs are gone. And now after we're done shaking the flour, we're going to add 1 tablespoon or 7 grams of instant yeast. You can also add the yeast first into the lukewarm water, let it sit for around 10 minutes until it's puffy and add it then into the mixture. But if you're lazy like me, feel free to add it right away. Next we're going to add half a tablespoon or 5 grams of sugar and 2 teaspoons or 10 grams of kosher salt. Then we're going over to the bird's eye view and you can actually see what's going on. You also see that I forgot to mix the dry ingredients before I put the water in. I would recommend doing that. Just stir it real quick and then go over to the heavy machines. Start it on low to medium speed, add 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of oil and then give it a good stir for around 10 minutes and we're good to go. You're going to remove the bowl from your stand mixer, going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for around 30 minutes or until it doubles in size. You also will realize that your stainless steel bowl magically became a small ceramic bowl after 30 minutes. Just kidding, I need the bowl for something else. After 30 minutes you're going to remove the dough from the bowl and put it on a wooden surface. Then you're going to cut it into 6 equal pieces. Don't be confused, the amount of ingredients I named you is for 6 buns. I only made 2 in the video because I didn't need that many buns. I still had a full freezer from my Shake Shack bun video. Now we're going to form the buns. You're going to use the outer side, fold it inside the middle, go once all around the bun. After that you're going to place it on a wooden surface and roll it with the back of your hand until you have a nice round ball. You also saw that my bun is a little bit sticky. I should have probably added a little bit more flour. Now we're going to use a tart ring to give the bun its desired size. If you don't have one, it's not a big problem, just place it on a baking sheet and press it down for a little bit. If you want to see how to make any of the other buns that you see on the left, check out my channel or click on the link below. Then we're going to cover it one more time with plastic wrap. Be careful that it doesn't stick on the actual bun. Let it sit for 45 minutes. I would also recommend to preheat the oven to 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius. Next you're going to brush the buns carefully with heavy cream and we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of it. The cream helps the sesame seeds to stick better after baking and it also gives it a nice shine. Next we're going to cover the buns with aluminum foil. Reasoning behind that is that the buns keep their nice color during baking. You have to be careful that you leave enough space between aluminum foil and the bun. If the aluminum foil touches the bun, will probably be burned at that spot. Now after we're done covering the buns, we're going to place the buns inside the oven by 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Next we're going to carefully remove the aluminum foil, be careful that you don't burn yourself, and put the buns back in the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes until they reach the desired color. And there they are, our homemade green burger buns. And because we have to do a proper taste test of the burger bun, we make a quick burger. Just some normal ground beef, onions, tomatoes, lettuce, pickles, some ketchup and mustard. Put it all together and now we can finally enjoy our green burger buns. Again, thank you so much for watching the video and check out my channel for more burger bun videos.